Samuel, hey, it's Corey. Sorry it took a couple days to get the screencast out to you, but here it is. I just wanted to show you what happens online in the tire business. Okay, so there's a couple websites that I have pulled up here. This right here is actually ranked on the second page of Google. Okay, looks really really good. Looks like a guy that knows how to put a website together did it because it looks really good. But he lacks the SEO part on ranking this website. Okay, so this is amigotires.net. Okay, amigotires.net. So this is actually what's happening inside of his website. Ahrefs is just a program. That way, I can actually take that website, plug it inside here, and I can actually see what happens in the back of his website, what kind of traffic he's getting and everything else. Okay, and then this right here is a tire mart. Okay. So, hang on one sec. Let me pull tire marts. Control copy. Sorry about that. There we go. So this is Tire Mart's website. Okay. Really good website. They have lots of content on it compared to this one, where they got a little bit of content, but this one definitely has a heck of a lot more content on there. So anyway, there's 5 things that I want to talk about. The first thing is content. The second thing is keywords. The third is backlinks. Number 4, citations. And number 5 is nat packs. So talking about content, Google loves to see content on your first page. Okay, they want to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your website. That's just really how you start ranking a website, by the content itself. The second thing is those keywords inside your content. Okay, so this is the second page website, and this is the number 1 page website for tires. Okay, so if you look at Tire Mart, they have 295 backlinks, 31 domains, referring domains, 6.1 thousand keywords. Okay, and where this other guy on the second page has 14 backlinks, 12 referring domains, and 1.4 keywords. You can see the lack of the drive of his website. Okay, so if we look at this, guys, now the second thing we want to talk about is keywords. Okay, so keywords that are really important is this right here. Okay, Tire Mart, they're having 2,200 clicks every single month. You got Tire Mart Las Vegas. You got Tires Las Vegas. Tires Las Vegas alone brings in 600 clicks every single month to his website. You got Remington Tires, that's 450 clicks every month. That's another Remington Tire com is 500 clicks every month. Remington Tire, 500 clicks. Tires Star, 250 clicks. You got Sunny Tires, 250. You got Tire Mart near me, 100 clicks just off that, near me. That's just a different phrase. Tire Sales Las Vegas, another 150 clicks. So that's actually a really good keyword, because tire sales are looking to buy tires. So those are good keywords to get, and the more keywords that you have and are ranking for, that just means you're going to have be higher ranked up on Google. Okay, and so number 3 we want to talk about is citations. Backlinks. Okay, so backlinks are just different links that are just saying, hey, Samuel, you're the best tire guy in Las Vegas. And all these tire industry or car industry, they're referring back to you saying, hey, yeah, Samuel's the best guy. He's going to take care of you. And these are just a bunch of links that's going to push to your website. So we got best 21 used tires, Mergers and however you say that in North Las Vegas, tire repair, wheel alignment. So there's all these different links that he's connected with. So what I would do is actually go in here and get all of these same links that to help drive to boost your website. Okay, and then number 4 is citations. Citations is just simply your name, phone number, and address on business directories like Yelp, City Star, the BBB. The list goes on and on and on citations. So the more citations that you have, that just says, hey, you're more of a legitimate business. That it definitely holds your ground. And then the last thing I do want to talk about is NAT packs. Okay, so when you pull up if you Google Tires Las Vegas, okay, these are called NAT packs right here. This is really some of the best clicks that the tire industry is getting is all right here in that little NAT pack. So there's also different ways to get ranked really high in this area too, which we'll go over in more detail. Samuel, let's grab a coffee sometime, sit down, talk, and see what we can do for your tire shop business. Thanks.